Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Philippines, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Sa bibig na mismo ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte nanggaling gusto niyang buwagin ang road board. Ang road board na nangungulekta ng multi-billion pisong motor vehicles users charge na galing sa mga motorista. Simula daw nang umupo siya sa pwesto, ayaw na niya ito.
Ever since I assumed office, I've always been worried about this office because it's been the milking cow of people who are corrupt in government. Ever since, I've really questioned the existence of this office. Walang ibang purpose yan.
Sabi pa ng Pangulo, kampi siya sa Senado sa isyong ito. Ibibigay na lamang ng Senado sa Malacanang ang panukalang batas na magbubuwag sa road board. Pipirmahan daw ito ng Pangulo. Mali rin daw ang pagkakaintindi ni na House Speaker Gloria Arroyo at House Majority Leader Rolando Andaya na gusto pa niya sa road board. Kantsaw pa nga ni Andaya kina Presidential Spokesperson Salvador Panelo at Budget Secretary Benjamin Jokno na mukhang hindi nila nakakausap ang Pangulo.
And I agree with the others and the senators that it is time to abolish it and return that function to the DPWH. I had a talk with President Arroyo, and apparently there was a misunderstanding.
Nag-aalala si Pangulong Duterte na magkaroon ng problema kung ipipilit ng liderato ni Speaker Arroyo na bawiin ang panukalang batas na magbubuwag sa road board. Pero sabi naman ni Presidential Spokesperson Salvador Panelo ay pwedeng umakyat na lamang ang Kamara sa Korte.
And if I side, which I am on the side of the Senate, it would create another constitutional issue and maybe crisis. Huwag lang sana.
Samantala, itinalaga agad ni Pangulong Duterte na Philippine Coconut Authority Administrator si Lieutenant General Galileo Quintanar. Kariretiro lamang ng Quintanar bilang Commanding General ng Philippine Air Force. Pinalitan siya ni Lieutenant General Rosano Brigues. Inanunsyo ng Pangulo ang bagong trabaho ni Quintanar sa mismong change of command ceremony sa Philippine Air Force. Bago ito, inutusan ng Pangulo na mag-resign na out of courtesy ang lahat ng mga opisyal ng Philippine Coconut Authority.
I am not comfortable with all the people in that agency. For historically, it has also been plagued with corruption. So I have asked them to tender resignation as a matter of courtesy.
Joseph Morong, GMA News.